Hello dear teachers. Today I would like to share how to write the teaching notes. I felt it somewhat comfortable, so I thought of sharing it with all of you. First of all, for writing the teaching notes, we should have the lesson plan ready with us. That is, the activity and how many periods do we need to conduct the activity. Like this, if we made this lesson plan, then it will be very easier for us to write the teaching notes. Diary is different thing, the teaching notes is different. The lesson plan we write is for the whole month. The teaching notes, it will show what we are going to do for that day, a single day. It may be called as a period plan also. Now here, look, we have allotted 2 periods for picture reading and the completion of the activity 1. Here, first of all, the heading is activities to be completed, and that is for that day. Then introduction, motivation, reading, next keywords, then what the activity is, then teacher modeling, group work and individual work, then workbook activity, evaluation, TLM used, and at last teacher signature, visiting officer and headmaster signature. I made this format. I felt it very easy to complete the teaching notes. Now, first of all, I would like to share an example of how I write it. Activities to be completed. For day 1, reading big picture, introduction, greeting, like good morning children, and people will respond good morning ma'am. Motivation, listening and speaking. The teacher will ask the people about sports in an informal talk. People will tell about the sports they know. Now for reading, the teacher will ask the pupils, they read the names of sport equipments by seeing the picture in the activity 1. Keywords like football, tennis, volleyball. As we are taking the lesson regarding the sports, we will give the keywords according to that. Then activity big picture reading and answering the questions, activity 1. Teacher will show the picture and ask questions. In group work, people will discuss about the games they play and tell about their favorite sport or sports person. Individually, the people will answer the questions. I like cricket, I like football, I have got a tennis racket, etc. Then evaluation, teacher will ask questions, people will discuss and people will try to answer. TLM is charts showing the equipments, games, sports persons, etc. So it's very easy to write the teaching notes if we have prepared the lesson plan. Teaching notes for day 2, I will also share it. Now this is day 2. Activities are pre-reading activity and answering the questions. As we have allotted 2 periods for big picture reading, the second day also we will continue that one. Then introduction, greeting, conducting an informal talk with the people. Informal talk means people will answer in their own way. Then motivation, listening and speaking, conducting a duster game, asking questions, do you play games, where do you play, etc. Then reading, people will read the words written in previous period, learn spellings. Keywords are cricket, team, bat, ball, hockey, many more words as we can write. Then the activity is discussing the big picture, answering the questions. Teacher asks some questions, which games are played using balls, which game can be played by 2 players, and people will discuss in the groups and answers. Next, workbook activity. For today there is a workbook activity. Teacher will act as a helper. Peoples will complete the worksheet 2.1. It is from the workbook. Evaluation, by correcting the dictation words written by the peoples. TLM used, green board, charts, projector, textbook, etc. So using this pattern we can complete the teaching notes for languages, and for subject like maths and EVS I will share it in the next video. Thank you.